Alrighty, this is the last week before we go back to East Bay again for a wingless race. They changed it. It was going to be a winged race, but ended up changing the schedule. Went ahead and re-squared the car, put new titanium stops on it on both ends. Went ahead and bent my bracket to kind of square the car a little bit more. I got to work on it a little bit more, tightening up the chain and stuff like that. That and cleaning everything else up on it. Got dirt all over it. So there's that. We're trying to get that ready, and then trying to get this motor in the truck. So there's only a couple more things that need to be done to it. Got a new water pump. All that's just mocked on there. It's Corvette water pump, 1970. So got to do a pulley adjustment, put a new crank bolt in it, go through everything, clean the carburetor out. New exhaust gaskets. I need a flex plate. I need a starter. I need some belts. I need to swap all my pulleys over, my fuel pump, stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. A little carb action. Ooh. Oh boy. But other than that though, that is what's going on. Chevrolet motor, something horsepower. Gonna be going back in the truck and ready to go.